Are you coming to Modex because your organization is looking to improve its labor, floor space, and growing customer demands? Visit ISD in booth B8032 to turn these challenges into a competitive advantage. What makes ISD different? We utilize the optimal ops process and develop a true partnership. We don't confine ourselves to a single brand or technology. Instead, we follow our 8-step process and make recommendations tailored to your specific organizational needs. Whether your solution requires a mini load, an Urbex Cube ASRS, a dynamic batch picking station, AMRs, ASRS, goods to person, conveyor, consulting services, robotics, and many other technologies and solutions, ISD is with you every step of the way. Let's transform your operations into a profit center. It starts by visiting ISD at Modex in booth B8032.